Hey everyone, hope you're well. Today I've created the second part of Winback old clients automation. In previous automation, we were sending emails to our old clients and trying to reapproach them to buy our services. So in this automation, we are going to send messages to our old clients. Like we will follow up 10 days. Every day they will receive a message, and if they're interested in automation, we can remove the lead from the database. So we have a database of Google Sheet where leads are there, or we can add the leads as well, because the trigger is based on whenever there is a new row added or updated. So let's say if there are already leads in the Google Sheet, and I just need to process them as well. So I will hit this button, execute workflow, and this will get the previous rows from the Google Sheet and get the rows data, and this will be working. And also, if you add another row, another lead, it will start working for that lead as well. What this automation is doing is this is getting all the data of those leads, like status, items, and name and things like that. And then we are getting the templates from Google Sheet, where templates for all the 10 days are saved. So like day 1, day 2, day 3 message, day 4 message. So this automation will be getting all the templates, like all the 10 days templates, with the help of loop. And then we have a switch here, switch for let's say if the JSON day is 1, 2, 3. So according to that, the branch will be running. So first branch will be fetching the leads from the previous modules. It will be sending the message to that lead, like one by one. Like if there are 200 leads, it will send all the 200 leads message. And the second branch will wait 1 day, third branch will wait 2 days, and so similarly we will be waiting till 9 days. And every day they will be getting a message. So like for 10 days they will be receiving message, and they will be reapproaching for buying our services again. So yeah, this is very cool automation. If you like this, if you want something like this, please reach me out on my Gmail or on my Whatsapp. I'm always here to help you. Thank you.